How to use coconut milk for hair growth. The unending tales of miraculous coconut oil are known all over the world. But did you know that coconut milk has umpteen benefits for your hair? Coconut milk is one of the best ingredients for healthy hair. It contains fats, proteins, sodium, iron, calcium, phosphorus, and potassium. It is loaded with nutrients like vitamin B12 and zinc, which improve the blood circulation of your scalp. It also contains vitamin E and fats that fight free radical damage and deeply condition your hair. Coconut milk is a good vegan alternative for people who do not want to use dairy products. In this video, we have listed some coconut milk hair treatments that help in hair growth. So keep watching for more information. How to make coconut milk. While coconut milk is easily available in canned and powdered forms, studies have shown that volatiles in canned coconut milk change over time. Hence, opt for homemade coconut milk. Unlike coconut water, coconut milk is extracted from the flesh of mature coconuts. The extraction process is simple and can be done by following these simple steps. Grate a fresh coconut finely. Squeeze out all the milk using a cheesecloth or muslin. Preheat a pan and pour the milk into it. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Allow it to cool. Freeze it for a night. You can use this coconut milk the next day in any of the hair care treatments. Benefits of coconut milk for hair. Coconut milk is not milk, it is the liquid extracted from the meat of the coconut, which is rich in nutrients. It contains lauric acid, vitamin B12, iron, zinc, proteins, magnesium, vitamin C, phosphorus, and potassium. Studies have shown that a deficiency in micronutrients, such as vitamins and minerals, can lead to hair loss. A study showed that coconut or its extracts might help reduce split ends and hair damage and rejuvenate dried hair endings. Coconut and its extracts can also help reduce hair loss, baldness, and dandruff. Now let's look at the different ways you can use coconut milk for hair growth. Coconut milk for hair growth. This coconut milk hair treatment will penetrate through your scalp and cuticles to nourish and condition the follicles and hair shafts. The extra moisture and nourishment will boost the productivity of your follicles while improving hair texture and health. You will need 1/4 cup coconut milk. A shower cap. Heat 1/4 cup of coconut milk in a bowl until it is slightly warm. Massage the milk onto your scalp for 15 minutes. Once your scalp is covered, work it through your hair from the roots to the tips. Leave it on for an additional 45 minutes. Cover your hair with a shower cap to avoid a mess. Wash your hair with your regular shampoo. Repeat this once a week. Coconut milk and lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C. Nourishing your scalp with vitamin C may boost hair growth and decrease hair loss. You will need 4 tablespoons coconut milk, 2 teaspoons lemon juice, a shower cap. Mix the coconut milk and lemon juice in a bowl and refrigerate for 4 hours. During this time, the coconut milk will curdle a bit. Apply this curdled mixture to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 45 minutes. Cover your hair with a shower cap to avoid a mess. Rinse out the mixture with your regular shampoo. Repeat this once a week. Coconut milk and honey for deep conditioning. Honey has antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. It is also an excellent emollient that helps seal in moisture and conditions your hair. You will need 4 tablespoons coconut milk, 2 teaspoons honey, a shower cap. Combine 4 tablespoons of coconut milk and 2 tablespoons of honey in a bowl to make a smooth mixture. Massage the mixture onto your scalp and work it through your hair from the roots to the tips. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it on for an hour or 2. Wash your hair with a regular shampoo. Repeat this once a week. Coconut milk and olive oil. This deep conditioning hair pack will make your hair super soft and manageable. The added heat from warming up the mixture will allow for maximum penetration of essential nutrients into the hair shafts and follicles. You will need 4 tablespoons coconut milk, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon honey, a shower cap. Combine 4 tablespoons of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and honey each. Heat the mixture for 2 minutes. Massage the slightly warm mixture onto your scalp and then work it through the entire length of your hair. Leave the mixture on for an hour and cover your hair with a shower cap to avoid a mess. Rinse out the mixture with your regular shampoo and finish with conditioner. Repeat this once a week. Coconut milk and aloe vera. Studies have shown that both tulsi and aloe vera prevent hair loss and boost hair growth. They also help maintain scalp health by dealing with issues like dandruff and irritation. You will need 3 tablespoons coconut milk, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, a bunch of tulsi. Blend 3 tablespoons of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera, and a handful of basil, tulsi, leaves to a thick, smooth paste. Massage this paste onto your scalp and work it through your hair from the roots to the tips. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Cover your hair with a shower cap to avoid a mess. Rinse out the paste with lukewarm water. Repeat this once or twice a week. Now that you know how to use coconut milk on hair, what are you waiting for? Growing your hair is not difficult anymore, especially when you have coconut milk to assist you through the process. However, if your hair fall persists, consult a doctor to address the issue. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.